say that's 3 feet deep in the driveway. The tractor will get it. Here's a part of the snaps. It's got a nice little trail going through there. It's a northeast wind right now, so we don't have much protection from the trees. So that's, you know, that's the deal there. But yeah, look at the snow drift there. That's gonna be a 3-foot high bank. It's pretty respectable. So yeah, it's a stormy day, March 10th, I think it is, Saturday. So yeah, I'll show you. Let's see if we can get the snow on this. Yeah, Frank put a tarp across.
Is that my little girl? Whee! Yay! Oh my goodness! Oh, poor Scout. I didn't know it was that deep either. Yay! Oh, you're a brave little girl. Ah, good girl. I guess you better make her way to the barn.
Hey, easy. Easy a bit. I guess they're making it. Good. We're all good. 2K's walking nice. Okay. So, there's deep drifts all across the yard. Must be, you know, 2 feet deep. That's with the wind. I suppose we got, 8 inches. Hard to tell once it, blows like this, right? It's just blowing across the yard. It's snowing. I'll zoom in because it kind of makes the snow visible that way. But yeah, it's still storming right along.
Hey, Scout, you enjoying the storm?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
We just worked with the chickens. They're doing fine. Scout tries to steal their spaghetti squash I gave him. So anyway, guess we better go. Bye.